What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. You are watching part 2 of our small bathroom renovation. Now you gotta check out part 1 because we did the demo and we found leaking faucets, leaking tubs. The floor was compromised underneath the tub, so we had to replace that subfloor. And now we're going to be installing cement board for our tile that's going to be going up. And I'm going to be installing a niche here for my wife. She doesn't know that yet, but I think she's gonna like the idea. Keep watching, stay tuned. So first things first, I'm gonna start by building my own niche. I want maybe a 12 by 24 for this bathroom. So what I'm gonna do is determine my center and divide that by half and make that mark. So I'm gonna subtract a 1/2 inch and a 1/2 inch on the other side and make my mark. I'm at 32 inches. That's where my middle of my niche is gonna be at. Let's make that cut. Leveling it out.
Leveling it out? What do you have in your mouth? There is a fly that does not want to leave. It is driving me insane.
He likes you. I'm good.
I killed the fly.
You did. I'm working. My wife is killing flies.
Listen, it was messing up your video. You're gonna see. It just kept going in the light, kept going in the light. It was irritating.
Oh my god. There we go. All right. Check again for plumb. Make sure she's level. She's looking pretty good. Alright guys, so I got my top leveled out, I got my bottom leveled out, and everything looks pretty good. My sides, I put these in just now. I just tacked them in, I didn't get them all screwed in yet. I'm going to use my Bosch laser level. You gotta buy one of these, well worth the money. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got here, turn it on, you sit down. There we go, just line it right up. And there you go. There you go. So you can actually turn down the light, you can actually see it.
I think you can see it. Let me see if I turn it off.
See that?
Whoop.
See that? Get that little laser light there. Perfect. Now I'm going to go over this one, do the same thing. Okay, we're good. All right. Get ourselves all leveled up. The good thing about trying to make your own niche is that you can make whatever size that you want and customize it the way you want. Buying it pre-made, prefabricated is a lot easier. You can pop it in, but it just costs more money to do that. So as a DIYer, I'm going to want to do it this way because I know how to do it. And a little sweat and effort, it's worth the while. Make your own niche. Okay guys, we got it all braced up. It looks a little bit better. I did expand it a little bit more, about 2 inches wider. I think it just gives it a little bit better look for this bathroom here. And we're gonna start doing our cement board. All right. So I got my insulation ready to hang up here. And what I'm gonna do is insulate just the exterior wall because this is the outside wall that's affected by the cold. Inside, I'm not really worried about. And I'm gonna use R15 to insulate the exterior walls. 2x4 construction. With that said, let's get going. Always wear eye protection and a mask of some sort because breathing in this is just not good for you. Yeah, you want to keep yourself healthy.
Even though he does it all the time.
Yeah.
And when you can't find your knife, the kitchen knife works just as good. I caught you, Greg. You try to hide it from me.
I can't find my tools. Now, it's time to put up my cement board. I'm gonna start on the inside of my niche and then I'll start working my way out.
I'm a boss.
Now we're getting ready to install our brand new plumbing. Nice hot and cold diverter. I just shut off the hot and cold downstairs. That's the first thing you want to do. And now, getting ready to cut these pipes. Before that, let me just make sure everything's... Okay. Make sure all the water's off. And it is. Yep, just making sure, because I don't get that squirt. All right. Ready to go. Alright. Alright. Let's cut this pipe. More than likely, I think what I'm going to do is bust some of this out anyway, because the diverter is going to be higher. Because we are installing a freestanding tub. We are installing a freestanding tub, so most likely the plumbing is going to be like a little bit higher. Get the right size of that tub so we can make that happen. And there we go.
Get up it!
Trying to spit at me, huh? Get out of here. All right. We good. We got it. We got it. We got it. Now, what I want to do is, I know my freestanding tub is going to be from 23 inches. Right up from the floor. I want my tub spout diverter to be around about 5 inches above that to give it clearance, and my diverter to be around maybe 16 inches above my tub spout. I'm gonna start to break this all out here so I can put my backing on for my diverter to go onto. I got all my valves on my valve body here. Now I'm going to install it to my backing that I had built. Alright guys, now it's down to the floor. We're going to install a 1/4 inch cement board.
Let's get into it.
Woo!
Alright, so I have my underlayment down. I put some adhesive, construction adhesive, to the cement board to make sure it's not going to go anywhere. Then I'm going to screw it on. guys, so last but not least, it's time to mesh tape our cement board. I'm using a mesh tape specifically meant for the cement board. It looks just like this. It's a gray in color that you have here. All right, I'm gonna put that on every seam. It has an adhesive backing already to it. Let's get installing. Got all my mesh tape up, all my joints are covered, all except my niche. I want to save this for last. I don't have my transitions yet, got to pick them up, but I want to do that all at the same time just for a better bond. So for now, I'm just going to work on the outside of this. And just an FYI, I'm working with a fast thin set mortar to get my job done a lot quicker. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, this is looking amazing. I'm loving the way this is coming out. You don't want to miss next week. I am going to be installing waterproofing on all the walls. We're going to be installing our transitions, our tile, and update the electrical. Don't want to miss us. Enjoy this journey with us. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.